Welcome to the tutorial on how to sign up for your student orientation, advising, and registration sessions. We are thrilled to welcome you to the beach. As a new student, you're required to attend student orientation, advising, and registration, otherwise known as SOAR. During your SOAR experience, you'll get to learn about being a student at the beach, meet some of your classmates, get to know campus, talk to your academic advisor, and register for your fall classes. SOAR is divided into 2 sessions that take place on separate days. One session for orientation, where you'll get all the information you need about life as a Cal State Long Beach student, and another session where you will connect with your academic advisors and register for your classes. It is important that you participate in both parts of your SOAR experience. You will need to sign up for your SOAR sessions online through MyCSULB Student Center. Before you can sign up for SOAR, make sure you have officially accepted your offer of admission. If you still need to complete this step, go to the Accept or Decline option under the Admissions section in your MyCSULB Student Center. All right. So, you've accepted your admissions offer and are ready to sign up for your SOAR sessions. Let's walk through the process together. In the admissions section, select SOAR Sign Up. Read the important information on this page, then select the Next button. The next page will have a list of dates and times of available orientation and advising or registration sessions for you to choose from. Each option will include an orientation day and location and an advising and registration day and location. Depending on the option you select, these days may be virtual or on campus. If a time or location is not listed, your college advising centers will be in touch with you on what to expect for your advising and registration experience. Once you have decided which orientation and advising or registration selection works for you, click the Select button next to your preferred days to sign up. Carefully review the days, times, and locations you have selected, and then select the Confirm Sign Up button. To guarantee your spot, pay your SOAR fee as soon as possible. Your fee is due within 7 business days of signing up. As a reminder, participation in both days is mandatory. If you don't attend both sessions, you won't be able to register for your classes. You can log in to MyCSULB Student Center at any time to double-check your orientation information. In the Admissions section, select Admissions Inquiry. Your SOAR information will appear on this page. If you need to change your SOAR session schedule, you will need to contact the SOAR office at 562-985-5515. Or email SOAR@csulb.edu. We can't wait to meet you at SOAR and help you get started at Cal State Long Beach. Until then, be sure to regularly check your CSULB email account for important next steps and campus resources. You'll receive an email with your orientation information 2 weeks before your scheduled workshop date.
Thank you for watching, and go beach!